Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start chapter 6, My Childhood, from your book, Behive. We have already learnt about half of the portion, My Childhood, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. This is the extract from Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire is an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. I have already explained he was born, APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in the middle class Tamil family in Rameshwaram in Madras state. His father's name is Zainul Abidin and mother's name is Ashiyama. He was short by height and distinguished from the family. And he was next till the fifth passage we have already learnt. Now I'm going to start from passage number 6. One day when I was in fifth standard at the Rameshwaram Elementary School, he studied in Rameshwaram Elementary School. He studied in Rameshwaram Elementary School. He said, one day I was means he was means APJ Abdul Kalam was in the fifth standard at the Rameshwaram Elementary School. A teacher came to our class, means a new teacher came to his class. I used to wear a cap which marked as a Muslim, means he wore white cap. White cap, that mostly the Muslim people wear. He wears the same cap as he was traditional Muslim. He wears the traditional cap. I also sat in the front row next to Ramananda Shastri. Ramananda Shastri, one of his friends, who wore the sacred thread. Sacred thread means that is the religious thread that the Hindus wear. He wear the cap, that is Muslim cap, and his friend wear the Hindu thread. The new teacher could not stomach means could not tolerate. The new teacher could not tolerate a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy. He could not tolerate that a Hindu boy sat with the Muslim boy, and in the according to it, with our social ranking, as a new teacher saw it, I was asked to go and sit on the last bench. His teacher told him to go and sit on the last bench. His science teacher told him to go and sit on the last bench. I felt very sad, and so did Ramananda Shastri. Same as Ramananda Shastri was also felt very sad. They both were felt sad, and he looked utterly downcast. Downcast means sad, means depressed. He looked utterly downcast as I shifted to my seat in the last row. Means when I shifted my seat from the first row to last row, my friend felt very my friend means his friend Ramanand Shastri felt very sad as I shifted to my seat in the last row. Means as he shifted his seat from first row to last row, his friend felt very sad. The image of him weeping when I shifted to the last row left a lasting impression on me. Means when I changed my seat and my friend felt very sad, he was crying, he was weeping. The impression of weeping is left lasting impression on me. Still now he remembered that how could his teacher, how friend felt sad. Next, Lakshmana Shastri. Lakshmana Shastri is the father of Ramananda Shastri. Lakshmana Shastri means the father of Ramananda Shastri summoned the teacher. After school, he went home and told our respective parents about the incident. Means when we went to our home, means Ramanand Shastri and APJ Abdul Kalam, when they went to their home and they told the incident to their parents. They described the full incident to their parents, how the teacher misbehaved with them, how the teacher separated them. They explained their family in their respective families, means APJ Abdul Kalam told his family, and Ramanand Shastri told his own family. They told the story in their own families. Lakshmana Shastri, the father of Ramanand Shastri, summoned the teacher and in our presence means summoned means called. Lakshmana Shastri called the teacher, called the science teacher, that he should not spread the poison of the social inequality and communal intolerance. Intolerance means a strong opinion in the minds of innocent children means that the father of Ramanand Shastri warned to the teacher don't spread the social inequality among their children, among those innocent children, make them and realize them the all the peoples are same. Don't spread the lesson of inequality among the little children, among the innocent children. He bluntly means frankly. He frankly asked the teacher to either apologize. Apologize means feel sorry, to say sorry, or quit the school and the island means either you can leave the school or you can say sorry to the students, to the children. Means if you misbehaved with the children, if you create the lesson among the children inequality, then you must go out of school or you feel sorry from the students. Not only did the teacher regret his behavior, but the strong sense of conviction. Conviction means strong belief. Lakshmana Sastri conveyed ultimately reformed the young teacher. Now the teacher did not feel only sorry, did not regret his mistake only. He also improved his mistake, and now he became the best person to give the lesson to the children to be best. On the whole, the small society of Rameshwaram is very rigid. Is very rigid means is very hard. The society of the society of Rameshwaram is very hard in terms of segregation. Segregation means divided of the different social groups. It was very rigid, it was very hard society that has different kind of religions, and both religions have there was orthodox Brahman families, and Brahman hated the Muslim families. They were very orthodox Brahmin. However, my science teacher Sivasu Brahmia Iyer, though an orthodox Brahmin with a very conservative means orthodox means very traditional wife, was something of a rebel. Rebel means revolutionary means although the teacher as well as his wife both were very orthodox, he did his best to break the social barriers. Even he was orthodox Brahmin, even his teacher was orthodox Brahmin, but he did his best, he tried to do his best to make the society to break the social barriers, that people from varying background could mingle means mix easily, means Hindu and Muslim with mix easily. He do their best to mix the society, mix the Hindus and the Muslims. He used to spend hours with me. Means the teacher used to spend hours with APJ Abdul Kalam and would say, Kalam, I want you to develop so that you are on par with highly educated people of the big cities. Means the teacher always told me, Kalam, I want you to develop, means I want to develop you so that you are on par with the highly educated people of the big cities. Means you have to face with the people of the big city, so that I want to teach you, I want to develop you, I want that you will be a best person in the society, to improve the society, uh, to end the discrimination of the society. One day he invited means the teacher invited. One day the teacher invited me means Abdul Kalam. One day the teacher invited Abdul Kalam to his home for Meal means food. Means one day the teacher invited APJ Abdul Kalam for the food. His wife who was very conservative, who was very orthodox, was horrified. Horrified means shocked at the idea of a Muslim boy being invited to dine in her ritually pure kitchen. Ritually pure means protected from outside kitchen. He refused to serve me in her kitchen. Means he refused to serve a Muslim boy in the kitchen. Subhasubaramania Iyer was not perturbed. Perturbed means feeling anxiety. Feeling anxiety, nor did he get angry with his wife. Means he did not react or did not feel very sad with his wife and did not angry with his wife, but instead served me with his own hand. Means what the teacher served me means the teacher served APJ Abdul Kalam with his own hands and sat down besides me to eat his meal. His wife watched us from behind the kitchen door. I wondered whether she had observed any difference in the means I thought that means his wife will say okay, there is no any difference between the Muslim and Hindus. Hindu and Muslim both eat equally. There is no difference between the Hindus and Muslim by their habits, by their eating habits. I ate rice, drank water, or cleaned the floor after the meal. Means I ate rice. I finished my breakfast and then I swept over the house. Means over the floor. When I leaving his house, Swasuvaramania Iyer invited me to join him for the dinner again the next weekend. Means after that breakfast, my teacher invited me again for the dinner. Means he gave me invitation again and observing my hesitation. When I was in hesitation, my teacher said to me, "Don't be upset," saying, once you decide to change the system, such problems have to be confronted. If you want to change the society, you can change the society. When I visited his house the next week, Vasavarmia Iyer's wife, means his teacher's wife, took me inside her kitchen and served me food with her own hands. Means my teacher's wife served me food with his own hands. Means now his wife has been changed his behavior. Now the Second World War ended. Then the Second World War was over. Then India's freedom was imminent. Imminent means about to happen. Indians will build their own India. Means now the India must be free. India must be independent country, and Indians will build their own country, their own India. Declared Gandhi. Means Gandhiji told that Indians will build their own country, their own India. The whole country was filled with the uppresent. Uppresent means inequality. Optimism means hopeful. I asked my father for permission to leave Rameshwaram and study at the district headquarters in the Ramanathapuram. Means I asked permission from my parents and decided to go Ramanathapuram. Next, he told me means my teacher told me as if thinking aloud, Abul, I know you have to go away to grow. Means my teacher told me of Abul, I know you have to go away to grow. Means I know you want to, sorry, his father told him that Abul, I know you have to go away. Means when he asked for the permission from his parents, his father told him, I know you have to go away to grow. Means आपको कुछ बनने के लिए आपको दूर जाना पड़ेगा. Does the seagull not fly across the sun? Means if the seagull can fly across the sky, why don't you go out alone and without a nest? He quoted Khalil Gibran to my hesitant mother. Your children are not your children. Means even my father told my mother that your children are not your children. Means my father told my mother that your children are not your children. They are the sons and the daughters. They are just sons and the daughters. They are not your children. of life longing for itself, they come through you, means they come through you to the society, what not from you, मीन्स वो आपके बच्चे हैं बट आपके फॉलोअर्स नहीं हैं वो, यू मे गिव देम योर लव बट नॉट योर थॉट्स, मीन्स यू कैन गिव लव टू योर चिल्ड्रन बाय योर सेल्फ बट यू कैनॉट गिव योर थॉट्स टू योर चिल्ड्रन, for they have their own thoughts, means the children and the children have their own thoughts, their own ideas, you cannot change their thoughts, you just give your love among the children. Thanks, have a nice day. I hope you must understand the story. Beta, do you understand? Do you understand the story with me? My childhood. सभी को any confusion? Can you write the answers of the question by yourself? I think it's very easy story, है ना? And the second, do you have any problem with it? Second, गगन बच्चे समझ आ गई स्टोरी? गगनदीप, जसमीत आपको बेटे, ईश्वरा, राधिका, सैफदीप, मानसी, परनीत, जैशनदीप बच्चे, संदीप आपको समझ आई बच्चे? जैशनदीप कौर समझ आ गई बच्चे? चलो इस चैप्टर में से आपको मैं क्वेश्चन सेंड करने लगी हूँ, आप उनके आंसर्स लिखेंगे, अपने आप करोगे, ठीक है? अगर कोई कंफ्यूजन हो देन यू कैन आस्क मी. थैंक्स, हैव अ नाइस डे. गोइंग टू एंड द क्लास. बाय बेटा, टेक केयर. नहीं तो सीगी की कहना सी पागल जा सही गया मैनू कल का भी मेरा ना ही पागल रख रखा मेरे ये नहीं पता भी सामने मैं कमर मारी जाना बंदा डिस्टर्ब भी हो सकता ते आपदे वाली पता कितना नर्वस हो जाता होंगे फिर पता भी नहीं लगता मैं की करी जाना सही गल है.